Publishing a book is a huge accomplishment. But before you even start, there's one big decision you need to make. Which publishing path is right for you? I want you to ask yourself this, do you want full creative control with self-publishing? Do you want the prestige of the traditional publishing route? Or do you want a hybrid approach that gives you professional support without giving up your ownership? What I do know is that this can be overwhelming, but today I'm going to break down the pros and cons of each publishing path so you can make the right decision for you. Okay. And if you want more in-depth guidance, I'm going to tell you how we can work together inside the Profitable Publishers Collective. And also go ahead and grab a copy of the Hybrid Publishers Playbook, where I lay out the exact framework to starting and growing a hybrid publishing business, especially if you love the idea of publishing for other people. This book right here is what you need. Before we dive in, let's talk about why this choice is so very important. Because choosing the wrong publishing model can lead to loss of control of your book and creative rights, wasting time, okay, waiting for approvals and missing out on financial opportunities. But choosing the right path allows you to maximize your profits, reach your ideal audience, and build a successful author platform. So we're going to break down from each option. All right, let's go. Now, our first option is traditional publishing. What is traditional publishing? It's where you sign a contract with a traditional publisher like HarperCollins or even Penguin. They actually handle the editing, the design, the printing, and they also distribute your book. Now, you're going to need a literary agent to even be considered for one of these publishing houses. Now, here are the pros. There are no upfront publishing costs. The publisher actually funds everything. You get a lot of mainstream credibility because traditional publishers add that prestige. All right. And also you get in bookstores faster. Those major retailers are waiting for these publishers to put your book there. But there are some cons. It is a long process. It can take years to get a deal and publish. You also get lower royalties. So publishers can take a big chunk out of your book sales, and loss of control. You don't own a lot of the rights or control to your book. Now, I've had clients who spent years trying to get a publishing deal. Meanwhile, there are others like myself that self-publish and make thousands in the same time frame. So traditional publishing can work, but it's not for everybody. Now, second option is self-publishing. It's what it is, self-publishing. This is where you publish your book independently through platforms like Amazon KDP, Ingram Sparks, or even Barnes and Noble Press. You keep all of the financial and creative control, but you are responsible for marketing, editing, cover design. You actually have to hire help. All right. But the biggest pro is that you get higher royalties. So you keep up to 70% of book sales. You get all of the creative control. You own your book, your rights, your pricing, and it's faster. So you can go from writing a book and selling it in just a few weeks. Now, there are some cons to this, is that you do have to handle the marketing. No publisher promoting your book. So you're not going to have that option with a traditional publisher. Now, you got to invest in all of your editing, formatting, and cover design. So you need some money. All right. There's no guaranteed in bookstore placement either. So you have to work hard to get that. But when I self-published, I was able to control my book launch strategy, my pricing, marketing, but I had to learn the process. That's why I help my clients to fast track their self-publishing journey inside the Profitable Publishers Collective. Third option is hybrid publishing. This is actually something that I absolutely love. Now, it's a mix between self-publishing and traditional publishing. You actually have to pay a publishing company to handle the editing, the design, the distributing of your book, but you keep control, and higher royalties. A great option if you want professionally publish a book without waiting the long years with traditional publishing. Now, there are some pros to this. You get some professional publishing support without needing an agent. It's way faster than traditional publishing, but still a very high quality service. You get higher royalties than traditional publishing, and you get to keep more of your sales. Now, the cons is you do have to pay up front. So there is an investment. Marketing is still your responsibility. Publishers don't guarantee sales. Okay. Now, hybrid publishing is a perfect for authors or perfect avenue if you want a book professionally done, but you don't want to give up your rights or wait years for a deal. That's why I break down exactly how to do this inside the hybrid publishers playbook. So if you're interested in learning this whole hybrid publishing deal and you want to publish for other people, or maybe you're an author and you really want to know how it works behind the scenes, then get this book. This book gives you the step-by-step roadmap to get it done. So if you're ready to publish your book the right way and need expert guidance, here's how I can help you. You can join the Profitable Publishers Collective. I give you the step-by-step support in publishing strategies and a community of like-minded women where I'm teaching you how to self-publish your book. Also, again, if you want to learn how to the ropes when it comes to the hybrid publishing, this book breaks down the exact system for publishing professionally without giving up control. And even if you want to publish for other people, this right here is the way to go. But the most important thing that I want you to learn from this video is to just start. No matter which publishing route you take, the biggest mistake is waiting too long. Okay, your story deserves to be told, and there are people out there waiting for your book. Okay, so this video helped you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you want more MiniHER book publishing strategies, and let me know in the comments which publishing path is right for you based on what I said in this video, or which one do you desire to go for. Okay, so I may have some resources for you depending on which way you want to go. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.